This shot used to be impossible because I would crash right here. But after this update, watch this. The Antigravity A1 just got full 360 obstacle avoidance, automatic bypass, and a crazy mind control feature I'll show you in a minute. But the real question is, can this update actually replace pilot skills? Before, tight spaces were a gamble, especially in the forest. Now, front, back, sides, above and below, I finally trust it. Shots like this used to require extreme precision. Now, the drone actively avoids obstacles while maintaining the shot, and that completely changes how you can fly. Instead of freezing midair, it automatically finds a way around obstacles. It doesn't just stop when it detects something, it thinks. You stay focused on the shot instead of constantly worrying about crashing. It feels less like flying a drone and way more like directing a camera. Even more, you can program it completely, because now every waypoint in a flight path can have its own camera angle. The drone doesn't just move from A to B anymore, it changes perspective mid-flight. It's basically a pre-planned cinematic sequence. This makes solo travel films incredibly easy. They also updated how flight paths look, with new styles and visual markers along the route. It's a small thing, but it actually makes planning and executing shots much more intuitive. But wait until you see how it pairs with the voice control in a second. Speaking of which, here is the craziest part. You can now control the drone with your voice.
Start recording. Stop recording. Deep track.
You can start flights, trigger tracking, or send it home without touching the controller. If you're shooting solo, this changes everything. You focus on your movement, and the drone handles the rest.
Skypath.
But let's be real, it doesn't replace skill. It just removes the massive risk of crashing so you can finally focus on your camera work. But to actually get cinematic shots, the drone won't do the directing for you. There are a few specific flying techniques you still need to master. Click right here to learn them, and I'll see you in that video. But before you go, let me show you another fun upgrade, the virtual cockpit flight. Now you can even ride a dragon or create a skypath route, then pass the headset to someone else so they can enjoy the ride too.